Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Faras on a compatible device, then open it and create your account using email or a Google sign-in. Once done, the app asks for permissions, grant microphone, storage, and location so features work reliably. Make sure to set a secure password. This prevents unauthorized access. Finally, tap the in-app tutorial prompt to bootstrap settings. It loads default profiles that save time and keep your data organized. Now you configure the main workflow. Create a project or workspace, name it, pick a category, and set privacy so collaborators see only what you intend. Next, import assets, use drag and drop, camera capture, or cloud sync with Google or iCloud because organized input speed execution. Then configure tools, apply a template, set automation rules for repetitive tasks, and enable notification preferences. As you work, invite team members with role-specific permissions. This prevents accidental edits while keeping momentum. Finish by reviewing and exporting your work. Check the project summary, then export as PDF, CSV, or JSON, or create a shareable link for stakeholders. Make sure auto backup is enabled. Pick a frequency that fits your workflow like hourly or daily because backups avoid data loss. If you encounter sync issues, force close Faras, clear the cache, and re-login. This resolves most state conflicts. If problems persist, toggle permissions and reinitiate Cloud Sync to refresh tokens and restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.